Hey everyone, future me here. And as I'm going through and editing this video, I wanted to jump in here at the beginning and just say that I may have mispronounced the name of this painting a little bit. It should be Gladys, not Gladys. The spelling of it was very odd. I've always heard of Gladys, but never have I seen it spelled before. So go ahead and fix that. So anytime that I say Gladys, I'm sorry. It should be Gladys. And then secondly, this diamond art painting has been discontinued. However, if you are able to get onto a Facebook D-Stash group and get this one, I highly recommend it. I'm in the middle of doing it right now, and you are going to love this painting. Now, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of this painting. Hi friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to an unboxing video. Today we're going to be looking at Gladys the Golden Doodle. I'm really excited to bring you this Golden Doodle diamond art painting for a couple different reasons. One, I love Golden Doodles myself. I have two of them. And two, when I was looking at this painting and figuring out what I wanted to do with it, I said, you know what? Why don't I go ahead and tell you all the story of how I came to be a Golden Doodle dad. And it was by accident in a sense. I didn't pick the dogs. I didn't. My husband did. And he really wanted the Golden Doodles. And partly because they don't shed, they are hypoallergenic, and they don't smell when you're trying to bathe them or when they get wet. Well, okay, Oliver doesn't. Charlie smells a little bit if it's been a few weeks since he's had a bath, so I try and give him a bath as much as I can in between groomings, but yeah, sometimes that doesn't always happen. This one is 22 inches by 33 inches, or 55.6 centimeters by 83.7 centimeters. The artwork is by Peggy Collins, and I'm going to go ahead and just pull it back up here. We did this in a Diamond Art Club haul video, but this is the painting itself. We're going to go ahead and get this unboxed here shortly. It does use rounds, and so far all three that I've done have used rounds, so I'm kind of being safe. Let's go ahead and take a look at this diamond painting and get it out of the box and see what we've got going on and what we got to work with. All right, so you're going to have to pardon the light a little bit, and we're going to have to finagle a little bit of how we're doing this, but here we go with our box. Again, the Diamond Art Club boxes are absolutely gorgeous. You can't beat the quality of this. You really, really can't. It's just amazing in my opinion. If you would like to show some support for the channel, if you've never purchased from Diamond Art Club before and you want to buy one of these, maybe not this one in particular, but you want to buy a Diamond Art Club painting, click on the link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link. You get a small discount and you help the channel as well by purchasing through that link, because then I get a little bit of money from that purchase too. So I really appreciate any help that you might be able to give. If you don't want to buy anything from Diamond Art Club, there's a couple of other links in the description down below as well. You can click on the PayPal link and give a tip, or you can look at our Patreon page and see what we have to offer through our patrons. Lastly, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to get notified when we upload videos. And I will be so appreciative if you follow along to hear my story with my dogs. So when you pull your diamond art painting out of the box, you're going to have this little tray that it was in. You'll have the canvas itself with the drills that are inside here. You have this handy dandy toolkit that comes with so many different things. It contains a twist and pick pen, multi-placers, wax refill, stackable tray, and resealable bags. All of this stuff comes in handy, and especially once you start buying more kits, you have multiple kits, all of this stuff stacks up and it really helps with what you're doing in the future and makes you do things faster with Diamond Art Club and any diamond art painting that you may be working on. And then lastly, you get this thank you for your purchase card that is in here. And in this, we have a couple different things. You have, sometimes you get this trading card that comes with your Diamond Art Club painting. And it's just a real shiny, real nice. This is a bronze card. There are different levels. There's bronze, there's silver, there's gold, and there's black cards. These can be collected and used when you scratch that little area off on the back to redeem codes to get money off of your next purchase. So that's fantastic. And then Diamond Art Club gives you this little sticker here. And then in here you have, oops, wrong direction. You have all of your, what is this? Numbers and symbols, everything that you need to put onto your trays to kit up. We will be going through and doing these by the looks of it. So over here we have our fairy dust diamonds. So our 2 fairy dust diamonds here. And then we have our 3 ABs over here as well. Now this does follow the DMC listing of the colors and everything. And there are some specialty ones that they've done themselves just because they want to make sure that they have that full correct color going on for the Diamond Art Club or for the diamond paintings. A word of advice that I have for you is to hang on to this plastic wrap, because if you can't get this done in one sitting, and if you don't want it to sit out, it is good to roll this back up, put it back in this plastic container, and put it back in your box. That way it helps the canvas not get so dusty, not get so dirty while you have it stored. Now the drills always come packed up like this. Looks like we've got a lot of 310 in here, but look at that. Look at how gorgeous that is. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. There are so many colors with this. It is beautiful. But let's take a look at the painting first. Now, I don't have a whole lot of room here. So we're going to have to look at this in increments. If any of you have seen the video when it comes to the snow castle, you know I don't have a lot of room here. It does look like this has the new gray lines that are on here. So these are all perforated, and these are in perforated squares, so you can kind of see where the gray is on here. And these perforated squares actually really help kind of control the area that you're going to be in when you are going through and doing your diamond painting. And I'm already loving this canvas right now. It is, oh my gosh, this is so nice. It is, look at that. I am always so amazed by these canvases. I am. I don't know why, but I just think they're absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at that dog. Look at him. He's fantastic. Oh, this is going to be great when it's done. Look at this big flower here, this flower here. There's so many different flowers. There's so many different contrasts of the colors and everything. I'm really going to be curious to see if we can find and zoom in on and look for where some of the ABs are. I'm already seeing some now. I'm already seeing where we have, let's see. Well, let's just keep looking here. Let's keep going. I'm going to try not to bump my camera too much, but it's going to happen. Let's go ahead and fold this back up, and then we'll unfold this area. Oh, look at him. Look at that face. Look at that face and that nose. Look at him. Oh, he is great. I'm going to throw a picture here up of my boys. So this one is kind of a mix between both of my dogs. So the hair that he has is, it's long. It is, oops, I'm touching my camera way too much. His hair is kind of wavy and long, and but it's a dark cream color, or it's like kind of a more of a brown color in a sense, I think. So one of my dogs is white with kind of this face, and then the other has more of a teddy bear face. and he is brown and has that curly poodle hair. But this is great. This is going to be so gorgeous. I am going to die when this one is done. Okay, I'm not going to die, but I'm going to really enjoy this one. This is probably one I'm going to frame. This is probably one that I will frame because I think that it warrants it. Okay, I really do think that this one warrants being framed. So let's see if we can zoom in a little bit, and let me find that color palette, our sticker sheet, and get that out and see exactly what we're looking for. So my ABs, let's get this up here. So my ABs is going to be this pink color, that one, and then here are my two. Okay, so let's look for all of those and see what we can find. So straight away, we can see that, if I can find my own finger, we can see that this here, of course my camera's going to start glitching out on me, this right here, these are already, come on, let's focus here. So those are going to be the ABs, okay? So we've got that orange symbol, and then you've got the X's and the A's. So we've got our X's up here, and then we've got, wow, the A's and those zeros with the crosses through it over here. So there's a lot. There is an absolute lot when it comes to the ABs and when it comes to the fairy dust diamonds. Oh, wow, look at that. All of this. A lot of that right there is going to be an AB. Oh boy. Like, that's color blocking AB. Now we're going to have to get into the drills. Now we're going to have to get into the drills and see what these drills look like. So I went ahead and moved the camera over a little because we can see how we've got more over here. There's, oh my gosh, there's even more in here. Like, this is nuts. This is absolutely nuts with the amount of ABs and fairy dust that are in this whole area right here. Like, look at all of that right there. That is a lot. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. Oh my gosh, I am super excited to get into this one. I really am. I wish I could figure out how to fix my camera from stopping glitching out like that. So I'm using my cell phone that uses the OBS software or OBS download connection to it. And I'm not sure if it's just because I'm moving around so much or what I'm doing. So I'll look into how I can fix that. But what I want to look for in these drills now is I want to look for the ABs and the fairy dust diamonds. Now, typically I try not to take it out of this little coil as much as I possibly can because there is a method to the madness when it comes to them packaging this up, and I want to try and keep it as neat as possible. However, we need to look for these diamonds. Now, 310, that's a lot of 310. That's a lot of black in here. That's going to be fun. Let's see. So if I look for these colors, so I'm curious about, so this one here, believe it or not, this Z, is that 3856? I'm pretty confident I have had that in every single one of my diamond art paintings that I've done so far. It's 740. Okay, so here's an AB. Here's an AB. And that orange AB, very nice. That 581, though, that is an amazing color. You know what? We're just gonna go through these. We're just gonna look at these colors. Like, look at that green. Like, just that green is amazing. And that blue. 336. Okay, so there's AB 972. That 581 is really cool. The AB, though, that is nice. So that's the AB 972. Okay, so that's this symbol here. That's where we saw a lot of that going on. So that's going to be great. That's going to give some really good sparkle. Look at that pink. Okay, so there's that pink. There's the AB pink. Oh, I am in love with this. I am absolutely in love with that pink color. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 3810, 433, 344, 823, 600, 939, 38. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Oh, and there are other eight. Oh, goodness. Okay, I think we have found everything now, but look at that. That green and that blue, the vibrancy of these colors. I'm telling you, these are unmatched. These are absolutely incredible so far. These are, I cannot get over how awesome these are. I am so excited to get this kitted up. You have no idea. This is epic. This color scheme is just so great. And that's not even all of them either. Like, that's just some of the smaller ones. Like, some of these larger ones that are in here. Like, we've got a 498. This 817 is beautiful. 402, I think we've used already before. 900. Here's my 310s. A lot of 310s. Okay, there's the Z3856. That one I'm pretty confident we've used a lot of already. I'm pretty sure I've used a lot of that one in Mojo, Jojo, and Eli. And then these are just kind of the... Ooh, look at these pastels. So for some of those flowers, look at that. The flowers in this are actually really cool. Ooh, look at these. These are tiny. These are absolutely, look at that. These colors are fantastic. Wow. Yep, we're going to have a lot of fun with this one. We are. We're going to try up a different kitting up technique when it comes to this next one too, but we'll talk about that here in a second. All right, so there you have it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this unboxing, and I really hope that you're going to enjoy the story that I have to tell when it comes to my boys and how we've raised them, how we found them, their puppy years, their just all their funness, just all their love that they give on a day-to-day basis. And I'm hoping that I might be able to pop in some home videos in there from time to time so you can kind of see what they're like and how their personalities are. And they're just so completely different dogs. They really are, but they are absolutely amazing. I'm really excited to do this one. I hope you guys have enjoyed, again, this unboxing video. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That is all we have today. So until next time, light a candle, pour coffee, and let's keep crafting.